Okay, guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Let's see how we can trade Painx 400 using this mobile strategy. If you are having a small capital, you can easily grow your small capital into something reasonable using this same strategy. Just sit tight and watch this video to the end, and you will learn a lot from this. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if you want to make more, you can also look at the custom made indicator, the 3M custom made indicator that I have been using on my PC, and that will help you to even make more and be more confident within the market. Okay, so let's see how to go about it. If you have any question, kindly drop a question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you okay, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is a simple mobile setup, and you're going to love every bit about it. I'm on 30-minute time frame, and I'm going to go straight into it. Okay, let me first of all show you the setup. So these are the setup, the one on the main chart, and of course the window indicator, and the second one on the window indicator. So now let's go straight into it and see how we can put them into use. So right here at the top here is a resistance zone, which is what we also experience at the top around here. Okay, so the window indicator actually shows that the this asset has gotten as over it has overbought already. So at this point, it means that it should change its direction into a downtrend, but that is if it does not break out from this resistance zone. And since it didn't break out from the resistance zone, it gave us an entry point around there, so it gave us more selling opportunity. But right now, what is the current situation of this chart? Okay, first of all, most of you don't know what Painx 400 is all about. When you hear Painx, it also means crash in Deriv. Okay, so it is the same thing as crash in Deriv, because it's usually gives sudden crashes, just the way we experience in it under crash in Deriv. Okay, so both works in the same way. So if you are looking for a way to trade crash assets that is under Deriv, under another platform, then Painx is what you should look out for. Okay, so this is Painx 400. So now let's see how it goes. Okay, so this actually has got into this support zone, and if you should notice, it shows that it has also oversold. So it's actually going back up since it's unable to break out from this support zone. And with the market structure which we are getting from here, it means that it will buy, and that is why our entry point should be around there, and it has been buying since then, and this will keep on buying until it gets to this region. And if it breaks out above this, then we are most likely to see it around this form, or this region. So for now, if you are still on this trade, then you should be targeting your TP at this point. Okay, so remember, this is 30-minute time frame. You can see this is going to give you each profit at the end of the day. Okay, so guys, if you are smart enough, okay, you should keep on milking this until it gets to this region, except if there is a sudden market situation, that is when it will not get there. Okay, but for now it is fully on uptrend. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this right away. So this is a simple mobile setup which can help you to achieve more. You can use it even on other assets. I will be stopping right here. If you want more tips like this, kindly subscribe to this channel, and of course, always watch out for my videos on daily basis. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.